We all are college students here, and we all follow almost the same routine. Every day we wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, and go to class. It all looks ordinary, but hidden inside these simple moments is something powerful, an invisible classroom. Because in our everyday activities, science is quietly working. After breakfast, we all wash our hands. It looks simple, but it's actually chemistry in action. Soap has two sides, one that loves water, and the one that loves oil and dirt. When we rub our hands, soap grabs the dirt. When we rinse with water, everything flows away. Our hands aren't cleaned by water alone, they are cleaned by science. Then we drink water, especially from bottles that have straws. And sometimes we notice something strange. The straw looks bent and shifted from its real position. That happens because light changes direction when it passes from air into water. This bending of light is called refraction. Water is denser than air, so light slows down and bends when it enters the water. That's why the straw looks broken, but in reality, it's perfectly alright. Most of us travel to college using our own vehicles bikes, scooters, or cars. The tires hold the road because of friction. That grip is what lets the vehicle move forward. When we press the brakes, the brake pads rub against the wheel. This rubbing slows the wheel down and safely brings us to a stop. Once we enter the campus, we walk to our classes. Our feet push the ground backward. The ground pushes us forward. This push and pull is friction. It is what lets us take every step. In the garden, we see old iron fences covered with a brown layer. That brown layer is rust. Slowly, the metal starts to break down. Even decay follows the rules of science. When we enter the classroom, we open the door. If we push near the hinges, it's hard to open. But when we push from the edge, it opens easily. The same push works better when it's farther from the hinge. When a push tries to turn something around a point, that turning power is called torque. Inside the classroom, we write on the blackboard with chalk. Chalk is soft. Its tiny particles stick to the rough board because of friction. When we use the duster, the particles are lifted away and the board becomes clean again. Writing and erasing both are simple acts of physics. In the college science park, we see three seesaw-like structures. All three have the same weight on one side, but the stand fixed on the ground is placed differently in each one. In the first, the stand is close to the weight, so a small push can move it. In the second one, the stand is in the middle. It needs more effort. And in the third, the stand is far from the weight. It needs the most effort. The weight is the same, only the position of the support changes, and that's the power of torque again. We come to college to study science, but long before we enter the classroom, science has already been teaching us in our hands, in our steps, in our movement, in our breath. This is our life as college students, and this is our invisible classroom.